Hi everyone, in this video I will talk about operators in R. So in R we have many different types of operators. For example, assignment operator, arithmetic operator, logical operator, comparison operator, and miscellaneous operator. So to better understand this operator, let's open RStudio and do some calculation with different operator. Open a new file and assignment operator. So assignment operator, the normal operator is like my values. I want to assign the value 3 to my values. Control Enter. So my value is now 3. And there also another way to assign the number 3 to my value. For example, 3. Let's say 4. Value, Control Enter. But this is rarely used. Most of the case we use this one. Or global operator. So I just say this is the normal case. Normal, this is like my rarely used. And in the rarely used, we also have global assignment operator, for example. Value, you assign value of 5, let's say Control Enter. And should only use this if you really understand this operator, because this is a global assignment operator. So now if there's a function in R that has a variable with a name value, it will take this value. So the value of 5 here available inside the function as well. So be careful. Okay, and now let's move to another operator. Arithmetic operator. So the first is addition. Let's say 2 plus 3. Control Enter. Or subtraction. 2 minus 3. Control Enter. Or multiplication. 2 times 3. Control Enter. Or division. 2 divided by 3. Or exponent. 2 power of 3. Or 2 head of 3. Yes, you can use either this or this. Or the modulus operator, which is the remainder from division. Division, let's say 6.5 divided by 4. So the remainder will be 2.5. 2.5. Or the integer of this division, for example, 6.5 divided by 4. So the integer part of this is 1. And now let's move to another operator called logical operator. Logical operator, for example, and true and true is true, Control Enter. Or true and false is false. or operator, true or false. Is true. True or true is also true. And not true is false. Not false is true. And the other thing is the other operator is comparison operator. For example, 2 greater, let's say this is greater. 2 greater than 1 is true. Smaller, let's say 1 smaller than 3 is true. Or equal, 1 equal 1, true. Or greater or equal, greater or smaller or equal, for example, 5 greater or equal to 1, true. Or smaller, 5 smaller or equal to 10, true. And not equal, for example, 1 not equal to 2 is true. And the other operator is miscellaneous operator. Miscellaneous operators. For example, you want to create a series in sequence. For example, from 1 to 10, number from 1 to 10 here. Or you want to find if an element belongs to a vector. For example, I find if 1 is in this vector 1, 2, 3 or not. This should be true. Or if I want to find if 5 in this vector or not, it should be false. Yes. And metric multiplication. For example, I have matrix A of 3 rows. Here matrix A only contains the number 3. And matrix B also contains the number 2. Sorry, B. Yes, B is now 2. Need to run this line again. And now I want A time with metric B. This is the result. Note that this is different with A time with B. This is elements-wise multiplication. This is metric multiplication. And this is element-wise multiplication. So in here we have 2 times 3 is 6. Yes, element-wise multiplication. Okay, I think this is all of the operators that we need to know in R. Let's move to the next video.